Hello, guys. New lesson for grade 6. Okay. Presented by Mr. Fadel Salem from Ideologia Homeschooling. And we are about to make a good review today for the whole module number 2. Okay. The module about fraction, decimal, and percent. Okay. We are going to reflect the whole module, inshallah. Okay. Look here. For example, the first target was find the percent of a number. Find the percent of a number. For example, what's 60% of 60? What's 60% of 60? Here we go. The first way to find 60% of 60, I have to divide 100% into 5 parts, and each part represent 20%, and for the 60, I have to divide it by divided into 5 parts also, same, and each part equals 60 divided 5, it's 12. So 12 here, multiply by 5 rectangles, it's 60. As you see here, 3 parts represent 60%. 3 parts represent 36 of the whole number. Also, I can use double number line. As you see here, we have the percent down. I count 0, 10, 20 till 100, and the above numbers from 0 to 60, the whole number. And here, if you want to find 60% of the number, what's the 60%? It's here. And it is 36 above. So 60% of the number is 36, as it is here. 12 by 3 is 36. Okay, what about you don't need double number line or bar diagram. You can make it equivalent ratios. Okay. For for example, here, 60%, it's 60 over 100, and the 60 represent the whole number. Make it or write it down. 60 over 100 equals 60 down, and the x, the part above. Okay, to find the value of x, we can make cross multiplication, multiply 60 by 60, and then divide by 100. You will gain 36. Second slide. Once again, find the whole. Find the whole. 27 is 30% of what? 27 is 30% of what? Here, I want to find the whole quantity, the whole number. Okay, let us try it here. 27 is part, and the whole is missed. Call it X, for example. And the percent is 30%. 30 over 100. If you want to find the value of x, we have to make multiplication here. 27 multiply 100 and then divide by 30. Always the number opposite to x in this direction must written down. By doing cross multiplication property, you will get the value of x. Okay, here for example, 30 over 100 multiplying 27 by 100, it's 27 and 2 zeros. Okay, removing a 0 and dividing by 3, you will get 90. If you would like to use bar diagram, it's okay. Divide the whole number, okay, into 10 parts from 0 to 100. The 30% represent just 3 squares. And also, you have to take 27 as part, okay? 27 as part of the whole number. If you want to find the whole number, you have to multiply 10 squares by the value of 1 square. 10 times 9 is 90 also. And it's the same for the double number line. Here you go. You will find percent denoted from 0 to 100, and each step represent 10% for the whole number, okay? Uh, each part, okay, each part represent just 9. 9, 9, 9. 3 by 9 is the 27, and the whole, okay, is 10 multiply 9 is 90 also. Okay, let's try it here. Number 1. What's 2.6% written as a decimal? It's 2.6% and it means 2.6 over 100. Oh, we have a problem here. It's a decimal above. What should you do? First, multiply by 10, up and down. Multiply by 10, up and down. Here, I can write it better. Multiply by 10 over 10. Okay? Multiplying by 10 above, you're going to move the point one step to the right. It's now 26 over multiplying 10 by 100, it's 1000. Here it is. It's 26 over 1000. How can I write it as a decimal? It's 26, okay, but we have 3 zeros here. I have to move 3 steps left because it's a division. Moving left, 1, 2, oh, no third, make it 0. Then, once again, 1, 2, 3, stop. Now, write the point. And don't let this place free, put another 0. So, we have it here. Number B is the right solution. Number B. Okay? Number B is the right solution. New problem here. Equation editor. At a baking competition, zero point 0.5 dishes were cooked by room 102. 3 over 10 were cooked by room 104. And 1 over 5 were cooked by room 106. What fraction of the dishes were cooked by room 100 and 102 and 104? Okay, once again, uh, once again, 0 0.5 dishes cooked by room 102. Okay, it's 0 0.5. And 3 over 10 were cooked by room 104. And 1 over 5, okay, were cooked by 106. Okay, he asked for what fraction of the dishes were cooked by rooms 102 and 104. 102, it was 0 0.5. 0 0.5. This one. Okay, this one. 102, it's 0.5. 104, okay, it's 3 over 10. He asked for dishes were cooked by rooms 102, 104. So it's an addition problem now. It's an addition. Okay, I have to perform addition. The first is 0.5 plus the second is 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Oh my God. It's a decimal. A decimal here and fraction. How can I make addition? Okay. Uh, he asked what fraction. Okay. So it's better to perform conversion 0.5. Okay. As you know, it's 1 over 2. It's a half. 0.5 is half. I told you many times. Half plus 3 over 10. Oh, I can't make addition because denominators are the same. Okay, no problem. I can multiply by up and down, multiply by 5 over 5. Okay, here we go. The first part, multiplying, multiplying half by 5 over 5, it will be 5 over 10. And keeping the second fraction as it is, 3 over 10 also. Now, the same denominator, okay, adding above only. You have to add 5 and 3 only. It's 8. No addition down. Don't add the tens. No, no, no. 5 and 3 only. So it's over 10. Okay. Once again, what fraction? He needs the fraction. Here we go. Here we have it. It's 8 over 10. But I don't like it this way. We have to do simplification. We have to simplify. Dividing each side by 2. 8 divided 2 is 4. And the 10 divided by 2, it's 5. This is the simplest form. 4 over 5. Okay. Uh, Once again, we have here open response. Venetia earned 22 out of 20 points, okay, on her science quiz over the phases of the moon due to an extra credit questions. What percent did she earn on the quiz? Once again, she earned 22 out of 20. Okay, she earned 22 out of 20. It's a fraction now. What percent did she earn? He asked for percent. When he asks you for percent, you have to multiply 100 and also putting the percent sign. Okay, and now perform simplification. I mean here we have 22. 22 over 20 multiply 100. First step, I can remove 0 down and 0 up. And also, I can divide it by 2 here, it's 1. Divide by 2 here, it's 5. Wow, it's very good now. Now, I can take it and make multiplication. I'll multiply now. Putting the same sign, don't forget it, the percent sign. Now, 22 by 5, 2 by 5 is 10, 0, and carry up 1. 2 by 5 again, it's 10. And 1, it's 11. So it's 110%. Okay? You see, it's more than 100. I know. Easy. Once again, refer to the grid shown below. What percent of the grid is shaded? What percent? Okay, the percent here, the percent, I'll count. I'll count. I'll count this way: 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. It's 42%. It's 42%. Okay, write it this way. We said what? 42? 42%. Okay. He asked again, write your answer from part A as fraction and decimal. Okay, it's easy. He asked for fraction and the decimal. For the decimal, it's a very easy, removing this sign, and we have 2 digits. It's 0.42, not more. Okay. If you want to write it as fraction, remember you have 24. We have, sorry, 42, 42 over 100 as fraction. Uh-oh. 42 as fraction. It's okay, it's okay. We need fraction. It's 42, 42 over 100. Right? Dividing by 2, dividing by 2 up and down. Down, dividing by 2 is 50. Up, divide by 2, it's 21. Okay. So it's 21 over 50 in the simplest form. Sound is okay, guys? Hope it is.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, number 5. Thank you, Maimuna. Number 5 here, which number forms below are equivalent to 0.28? 0.28. Uh, okay, 0.28. I think 0. Point, 0.28 is 28 over 100. Okay, and I can make it as percent. It's 28%. Okay, here we have all forms. We have all forms. The decimal form, the fraction form, and the percent form. Which one should I choose? 28%. 28% is okay. Yes, it's here. Okay. 21 over 80. 21 over 80. 21 over 100 is okay. I don't know about others. 21 over 80, I don't know. Let us try. Let us try. For I mean here, sorry, I mean here, maybe you would like to make simplification. Okay, I'll take it out here and try to make simplification. Up we have 28 over 100 down, dividing by 4, it's 7. Dividing by 4, it's 25. Oh my God. No way. I can't reach the 80. Okay, I can't reach the 80. Okay, no problem. Back to the future. What about dividing by 2? 28 divided by 2, it's 14. And 100 divided 2, it's 50. Wow, we reached here. This one is right. So it's okay. What about 28 only? 28 only? No, it's impossible. Okay, we have 28 after the point. Can't be 28 alone. Okay, no problem. Going back, going back here, it's 14, it was 28, and this one is 100. Here, what about 7 over 25? I don't know. Let us try. Dividing by, to reach 25, dividing by 4 here, it's 25. Dividing by 4, it's 7. Yes, yes, it is. Very good. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fractions. Each one of them is equivalent to 28, 0.28 as a decimal. It's important to prepare your work. Prepare the decimal, prepare the fraction, prepare the percent. Okay, always be ready. Okay. Once again, at a food festival, 3 over 8, 3 over 8 of the dishes were from China. Another 12.550 of the dishes were from Japan. What percent of the dishes were from other countries? Oh my gosh. Okay, I am ready. I know the total must be 100. The total must be 100, right? 100. I have to subtract, sorry, I have to subtract China. I have to subtract Japan also. Okay, the share, the share of uh, 3 over 8 for uh, China must be subtracted. Also, 12.5%, 12.5%. This is the share of Japan. Okay, many countries share the food festival. I have only two countries, China and Japan. Okay, the total of the whole is 100, right? And the total is 100. This fraction is the share of China, and this percent is the share of Japan. I have to do subtraction. The whole must be subtracted. It's okay now. It's okay. Now, the total percent is 100, okay? And minus 3 over 8. How can I deal with it? Okay? The 100% sure, 100%. Or simply, you can write it just 1, just 1. The total is 1. Minus 3 over 8. Multiply here by, I told you before also, multiply by 125 because I need 125 also. Okay? I need it here 125 besides the 8 to get 1000. What about multiplying 125 by 3? Okay, it's 320, sorry, 300, 360, 300 and 75. Okay, once again, 125 125 by 3, we can divide it into 100 alone and 25 alone. It's 375, removing multiplication and 3. What about 12.5%? 12.5%, it's over 100. Okay, as fraction, uh, I don't need the zero above. I can add 0 here and remove the point above. Okay, so everyone is over 1000 here and the second. Okay, no problem. I can make it here instead of 1. I can make it 1000 over 1000. What's the problem? No problem. Now I need to make simplification. What's over 1000? What's the number here? Maimuna will help us. Please subtract 1000 minus 375 minus 125. You need my advice? You need my advice. If I am in your place, make addition. I'll tell. Please mute. First, adding 375 and 125. This is the first step. Please help adding this. It's addition. It's addition. Okay. 375, 100. Sorry. Mhm. Please tell me when you finish. You can write it on the board. Yes, bravo. I saw it. It's the 500. Okay, now I want to make subtraction. 1000 minus the 100, the 500 minus 500. What is it? Sorry, this way. 1000 minus 500. I think it's easy. Suppose you love money. $1,000, $500. You can write it on the board also. Let me write it here to make new fraction. What percent of the dishes were from? Okay, he need percent also. Percent. We have 10 minutes. Maimuna, waiting for you. It's very easy. Yeah, yes, it's a plus, not minus. It's a plus, not negative. Okay, it's 500 over 1000. Okay, please find it as percent. Tell me about its percent. You should make simplification first. Simplify, simplify. Yeah, no, one, just 10. 10, please. One, 10 up, 10 down. Okay. You know, 500. mm, Yes, I'll remove. I'll. It's a 50, Maimuna. It's a 50 because you can remove 0 up and 0 down and bye bye. It's 50 over 100 now. 50. Okay, okay, no problem. No problem, Baba. It's okay. Going to next one. Okay, basketball, basketball. Open response. A basketball player made 40% of the shots she attempted. If she made 32 baskets, okay, how many shots did she attempt? Once again, maximize. Okay. Once again, a basketball player made 40% of the shots she attempted. If she made 32 baskets, how many shots did she attempt? Okay, the percent here is 40%, right? And she made 32 baskets. Okay, so it's 32 over what? This is the problem. 32 over what? If you need my help, please ask. Okay, okay, I can help. Now, let it be x. Now you want the value of x. It's okay. Now, I don't like it this way. Instead of 40%, I I would like to make it 40 over 100. Okay, now simplify, removing 0 down, removing 0 up. It's okay. 4 over 10. Now you have to make 4 as 32. Which number should you multiply? I need a number here to multiply 4 to get 32. 32, okay? How come 42 multiply what gives you 32? Think about it. Multiplication table, table 4. Table 4, table 4. The same number must be, by the way, must be down also. multiply by the same number, up and down. Maimuna, can you help? Okay, waiting for your answer. 4 times what equals 32? Multiplication table. 4 by 4, 4 by 6, 4 by 5. You need my help? Okay, it's 8, Maimuna. Okay. 4, 4 times 8 is 32, right? 32. So you have to multiply by 8 up and down. If you multiply by 8 up and down, you will have up 32 and down it's 80, right? 10 times 8, 10 times 8 is 80. So, wow, we reached here, 32, 32 here, okay, up 32 equals 32, so x equals 80. X equals 80. I'll write it here. X, 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 X equals 80. Next session, inshallah, next class will be quiz. Be ready because I think we have 1 week or 2 weeks for the quarter exam. Okay. Uh, Here, a clothing store purchases a sweatshirt for $26 and adds $50 to set the sticker price. Okay, once again, a clothing store purchases a sweatshirt for $26 and adds $15 to set the sticker price. The $15 here, it's the profit, the revenue of the store. Okay, this is the price from the factory. The store is having a sale where everything is on sale for 20% off. This is the discount. So we have many numbers here. Uh, 26 and 20. These are for the factory and the revenue. And also another number, 20%. This is the discount. Okay. Choose the most reasonable estimate for the final answer, price of a sweatshirt. First of all, I had to make addition. Okay. You went you went to the factory, you paid $26. You want uh, to sell this sweatshirt. Okay, you have to gain a revenue, money. Okay, it's okay. Now I'll ask myself 26 for buying and